Hi there, what's up everyone? I'm thrilled to have you here today and excited to share my thoughts with you on this topic. Before I begin, I just wanted to take a moment to express my sincere gratitude to you for choosing to spend your valuable time for watching my video. I understand that our time is most precious resource and I promise to make it worth your while. I have put a lot of effort and research into creating this video and I hope that you find it informative and thought-provoking. So without further ado, let's dive into today's topic and explore the world of freelancing together. Today, we are going to talk about something that's on the mind of many people around the globe, like what is freelancing? What a freelancer do? Is freelancing high-paying job? Top 5 high-earning skills as freelancer. 5 best freelancing website. Top 5 questions asked about freelancing. So this video will have 6 basic chapters to cover all these questions in your mind. I hope this single video will cover all the questions you have. So buckle up to know all about freelancing. Chapter 1. What is freelancing? Before diving into the world of freelancing, we should know about freelancing. So freelancing is when someone works independently for different clients. Instead of being a permanent employee for just one company, freelancers are self-employed and can work from anywhere with just an internet connection, using their skills and expertise to complete projects for clients. They can work on a variety of projects from content writing and designing to coding and consulting. Freelancing allows people to have more flexibility and control over their work. They can choose when and where to work. They also have the ability to set their own rates according to their abilities, skills, expertise, and choose the projects that interest them. Freelancing is becoming more popular in today's world, with many people choosing to work for themselves instead of being tied to a traditional 9-to-5 job. Chapter 2. What a freelancer do? Freelancer is someone who works independently for different clients, using their skills and expertise to complete jobs. Freelancers can do a variety of jobs depending on their area of expertise. For example, a freelance writer might write articles, blogs, or marketing copy for different companies. A freelance designer might create logos, website layouts, or marketing materials. A freelance developer might build websites or software programs. Freelancers can do work on short-term or long-term projects, and they can work with clients from all over the world. They have the freedom to choose the projects they want to work and set their own rates. Freelancers typically work from home or a co-working space, and they use technology to communicate with clients and deliver their work. Chapter 3. Is freelancing high-paying job? The answer of this question is very simple, and that is yes. Freelancing is high-paying job. With the rise of remote work, freelancing has become a popular option for those seeking flexibility and freedom. Chapter 4. Top high-paying earning skills as freelancer. In this part of my video, we will also be exploring the top 5 high-paying freelance jobs that you should be considering. So let's start. Number 1. Most demanding skill is software development. With the ever-increasing demand for technology, software development remains one of the most lucrative freelance jobs. Companies are always looking for skilled developers who can help them create innovative software solutions. If you have a solid background in programming languages like Java, Python, or C++, this could be the right fit for you. At number 2 is digital marketing. Digital marketing is another in-demand freelance job that offers high-paying opportunities. As businesses shift more towards online platforms, the need for digital marketing experts is on the rise. With skills in areas like SEO, social media marketing, and content creation, you can help businesses grow their online presence and attract more customers. At number 3, most demanding skill is writing and editing. If you have a way with words, freelance writing and editing would be the perfect career for you. With a strong grasp of grammar and a knack for storytelling, you can work with businesses and individuals to create compelling content that engages audience. From website copy to blog posts and ebooks, the possibilities are endless. At number 4 is graphic design. As businesses look to create visually appealing content to attract customers, graphic design remains a high sought after skill in the freelance market. If you have a knack for creating eye-catching graphics, logos and branding materials, you can make a good income as freelance graphic designer. At number 5 is high earning freelancing skill is financial planning. Finally, if you have a background in finance or accounting, freelance financial planning would be a great option for you. As more individuals seeks financial advice or planning, there is a growing demand for skilled professionals who can provide these services on a freelance basis. You can offer services such as budget planning, investment management, and retirement planning. So, they are the top 5 high-paying freelance jobs for upcoming era and for a very long time. By developing the necessary skills and expertise, you can crave out a successful career as a freelancer and enjoy the flexibility and freedom that comes with it. Chapter 5. Top 5 Best Freelancing Websites. Number 1 website for freelancing is Freelancer. Freelancer.com is a dynamic and vibrant online platform that offers a wealth of opportunities for freelancers to connect with clients from all over the world. With a user-friendly interface and a vast pool of projects across various fields, Freelancer is the go-to platform for talented individuals looking to showcase their skills and build their professional portfolio. Whether you are an experienced freelancer or just starting out, Freelancer.com offers an unparalleled opportunity to find and work on projects that match your interests and expertise. With its robust security measures and reliable payment system, freelancers ensures that freelancers can focus on what they do best, delivering high-quality work that exceeds client expectations. Join freelancer.com today and take your freelancing career to new heights. At number 2 website for freelancing is Fiverr. Fiverr is an innovative and dynamic online marketplace that connects freelancers with clients from all over the world. With a vast range of services across numerous industries, Fiverr offers a platform for talented individuals to showcase their skills, expand their reach, and build their professional network. Whether you are a graphic designer, content writer, marketer, or software developer, Fiverr.com provides an unparalleled opportunity to showcase your expertise and grow your freelancing business. With its user-friendly interface, secure payment system, and robust customer support, Fiverr is the ideal platform for freelancers to turn their passions into a rewarding career. Join Fiverr today and unlock a world of possibilities for your freelancing career. At number 3 website for freelancing is Upwork. Upwork is a leading online platform that connects businesses with top-notch freelancers across a worldwide range of industries. With a vast pool of talented professionals and an easy-to-use interface, Upwork.com is the go-to destination for businesses of all sizes looking to hire talented freelancers for their projects. Whether you are a graphic designer, software developer, content writer, or marketing expert, Upwork provides an unparalleled opportunity to showcase your skills, build your portfolio, and grow your freelancing business. With its innovative tools for collaboration and communication, secure payment system, and dedicated customer service support, Upwork ensures that freelancers can focus on delivering high-quality work that exceeds clients' expectations. Join Upwork today and take your freelancing career to the next level. At number 4, website for freelancing is Design Here is an innovative and dynamic online platform that connects businesses with top-tier freelance designers from around the world. With its intuitive interface, comprehensive range of design services, and unparalleled talent pool, Design Hill provides businesses with the resources they need to create stunning, professional-grade designs that stand out from the competition. Whether you are looking for a new logo, website design, Design Hills offers a one-stop shop for businesses to access the best design talent in the industry. With its edge-cutting security features, streamlined payment system, and exceptional customer support, Design Hill provides a safe, reliable, and convenient way for businesses to access top-quality design services. If you are a freelancer looking to showcase your design skills and build your professional portfolio, or a business looking to access top quality design talent, designhill.com is the platform for you. Join today and start creating designs that leave a lasting impression. At number 5, website for freelancing is 24 Tasks. 24 Tasks is a dynamic and innovative freelancing platform that connects businesses with skills freelancers from around the world. With its user-friendly interface and vast range of services, 24 Tasks offer a platform for talented individuals to showcase their skills, grow their professional network, and work on exciting projects that match their interests and expertise. Whether you are a seasoned freelancer or just starting out, 24 Tasks provides an unparalleled opportunity to find work and work on projects that challenge and inspire you. With its advanced security features, reliable payment system, and exceptional customer service support, 24 Tasks ensures that freelancers can focus on delivering high-quality work that meets and exceeds clients' expectations. If you are looking for a dynamic and rewarding freelancing experience, 24 Tasks is the perfect platform for you. You can join today and start your journey towards a fulfilling freelancing career. Chapter 6. In this chapter, we are going to discuss top 5 questions frequently asked by most of the viewers about freelancing. Question number 1. Which skill is best for freelancing? Its answer is, you can easily get freelancing work for skills like graphic designing, content writing, designing logos, websites, etc., programming, and more. There are several websites that allow you to find work based on a number of skills. Question number 2. Can I do freelancing on mobile? The answer is, most of the freelancing websites can be browsed through a mobile. Thus, they also offer mobile applications for easy access to their features. But if you are a graphic designer or a programmer or something that requires a desktop, then you cannot fulfill your commitments with the help of your mobile. Question number 3. Does freelancing pay well? The simple answer is yes. Skilled and talented freelancers earn a good income. With the digitalization of many parts of the businesses, the scope for many freelancing has increased. You can find thousands of jobs to work as a freelancer based on your skill. Question number 4. Which is the best freelance website? Answer of this question is, as I mentioned above, websites like Freelancer, Upwork, Fiverr, 24 Tasks, and and Design Hill are best platforms to work as freelancer. You can find thousands of jobs through these sites based on your skills. Question number 5. Do freelancers need to register a company? Answer this question basically depends upon the situation and place from where you are providing your services. And I think the need for freelancers to register a company depends upon the laws and regulation of their country and the type of work they are doing. In many countries, freelancers are not required to register a company if they are working as sole proprietor or independent contractors. Some countries may require freelancers to register as a business or obtain a business license, especially if they are earning a certain amount of income. Freelancers should check the laws and regulations in their countries and consult with a legal or financial professionals to determine whether they need to register a company. Registering a company can have benefits such as liabilities protection and tax advantages, but also involves additional costs and administrative requirements. Ultimately, it is up to the freelancer to decide whether registering a company is necessary for their business. At the end, if I conclude, freelancing is a flexible and rewarding career path that allows individuals to work independently, showcase their skills and expertise, and build a diverse portfolio for work. With the rise of the gig economy and the increasing demand for remote work, freelancing has become a popular option for those looking to work on their own terms. Whether you are a seasoned freelancer or just starting out, there are a lot of resources and platforms available to help you succeed in your freelancing career. Now is the time to take the leap and start building your own successful freelancing business. That's all for today. Thank you for watching and we will see you in the next video. Before leaving, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share my video if you found it helpful. Thank you very much.